Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to give you a review of the Kinesis Advantage2 keyboard. Now this is a fantastic keyboard. So the things I want to show you, okay, let me just show you. Okay, let's put the camera up. So it's like that. It's like that. It's super light and sturdy. I cannot bend it. Like I cannot twist it. This is a ergonomic keyboard, meaning that if you type on the computer all day, like 8 hours a day for years, so if you are a writer or programmer, then this is gonna be your savior, and this is gonna be fantastic. So let's do some typing. Something in the water, once upon a time, something and something. so this is really good. I have been using this keyboard for almost 2 years now, since it came out. This is Advantage2. So actually, let me show you from another angle. So like the normal desk angle. So I have my, that's a keypad. I use it for programmer keypad, and that's a Logitech mouse. So let's see. So this is my desktop, and I just put my hands here, the right hand, and these are the thumb keys. So this is space, enter, control, Windows key, page up, page down. And you can see I have lots of pictures on my website, so you can just search it, Xali keyboard, or Xali, search for Xali Kinesis keyboard. So anyway, so what are the things I want to show you? Okay, what's the features? So let me put it back so that you can see the keyboard with my lousy camera. So anyway, so you see these things are these bath towels folded. They are my wrist pads, and those are the best wrist pads, because most wrist pads are too low. You need them to be high, like one on the left and one on the right. Well, usually when I'm not doing video, these are like over here. So this is great comfort, and you can throw them, wash them every week or so. And it's a lot cheaper. A towel is just $3. If you buy a wrist pad, that's like $5 and something, and that it's no good. So anyway, so this is special. I mean, this is for if you really type a lot, and this keyboard is really for touch typists. So if you do not touch type the normal way, let me put this. If you do not touch type, then let's see. Then this may not be for you. Well, I have the paper here. Oh, here. So yeah. So I have been using this for almost 2 years now. I use it. I'm a programmer, and I'm also a heavy blogger, so I write a lot. I write every day, like typing and typing. Yeah, so if you do not touch type, then you might want to learn it, or this is really designed for touch typists. Okay, how long does it get to use to this? Actually, when I got this the first day, thanks to Kinesis, they actually sent me one to review. So I got it the first day when it came out last year, maybe 2 years ago, and I was able to type it like a pro the first day. Like I was able to type it on the first day, no problem at all, and no mistakes. Well, because I have used one before, the ortho layout. So let me show you what's the situation here. So you see the keys. Okay, there are many curves, right? But you can see one of the things is that the keys, they are vertically aligned, like straight. So if I put my fingers here, you know, it moves up and down and up and down. There's no, like on a normal keyboard, they are not straight. They are like slanted, you know, in a weird way, because that's the way they are. Because in the 1800s, you know, or early 1900s, the mechanical typewriters, they have to keep the bars under it to be aligned, like equidistant. Anyway, so that's why they are like that, and we just, you know, stuck with the habit, you know. So the first day I had no problem typing it, but if you, I would say if you never used a orthogonal or grid layout before, then it might take you 3 weeks. You know, if you practice every day, like 1 hour, use the keyboard, it'll take you maybe 3 weeks to get really good without any mistakes. But for me, the first day I was typing on it fine. So thumb keys, why the thumb keys? Because normally, like for example, backspace normally on a keyboard is like here, like you type enter then backspace, like it's you either use your pinky or you like turn your wrist to backspace. That's no good. So on this keyboard, the backspace is here. Backspace, you know, like something, and oh, I made a mistake, delete, yeah, hold it to delete. So, and space is here, enter is here, you know, enter. Okay, so one more thing about, I'm Asian, you know, so my my hands are not, well, standard kind of normal Asian size hands. I don't know if you can see a reference or something. Well, at least I'm not the basketball stars, you know. Those guys got super sized hands. So for me, the thumb keys, these keys is comfortable, but even those require some reach, and so you see, these keys are absolutely good, and this requires actually a kind of a move, you know, slight move, and the other keys all needs stretch. So I would recommend that you know, if you use this keyboard, you know, you don't stretch your fingers to do those keys. That's no good. You want to like move your hand instead. Like, you know, don't treat these keys as something like you just like do it. Well, unless you have, you know, your hand is big, like, you know, your hand is naturally sits here, and you know. Okay, so I think that's what I want to say about this keyboard, this video review. I have reviews on my website, so there's lots of, you know, written details. On the back, they have this thing. Looks funny at first. That's a phone, like a phone jack, phone plug. That's for the foot pedal. They also sell Kinesis foot pedal. I don't have it. I don't use it because I usually sit with my legs on the chair, so I don't use foot pedal. But I could, you know, it could be nice. So anyway, so it's super light and it's very well built. And there's programmable functions. Like you can swap control or control command or Windows key to any key you want. You know, all you have to do is just press this and hold that. Then type the keys you want to change. Then type the other key that you want it to be. Then press that again. Then it'll be done. You know, so you don't even need to like. On gaming keyboards, you have to start the driver and you know, you don't have to do that. You just you can record macros. So okay, so that's it for this a video review of the Kinesis Advantage2. Okay, you need to see it this way. Kinesis Advantage2 keyboard. I have the model QD, I think. Yeah, all the models are the same. My model just means that the keys are dual labeled. DQ, I think, dual labels. So normally, you have let's see, left hand is here. ASDF, that's the normal QWERTY, QWERTY. But beneath the key, you can see AOEU. That's the Vorak. So dual label. But any model have both QWERTY and Vorak built in, and you can switch them, to QWERTY layout just by pressing one of these small function keys. Those are mechanical keys, by the way. These are mechanical keys. Okay, that's it for this review. Thank you for watching.